In this video we will talk about what is Dogecoin, the pros of investing in Dogecoin, the cons of investing in Dogecoin. Should you invest in Dogecoin? So make sure to watch the full video. Hi guys, welcome to a new video from Cryptoers1, the YouTube channel where you can find all the news about crypto, NFT, and blockchain. Every day a new video. Follow us not to miss the news. Dogecoin is a kind of cryptocurrency that began as a spoof on Bitcoin. Yes, a joke. Now it's one of the most highly valued cryptocurrencies, thanks in part to a plug from Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, that jolted the digital currency into popular consciousness and then the stratosphere. Here's what Dogecoin is, what it does, where it comes from, and how to buy it. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is one of thousands of cryptocurrencies that have recently come into existence. But unlike many other digital currencies that were created to solve a problem, Dogecoin was created literally to poke fun at Bitcoin and the silliness of buying a digital asset that was not backed by any asset or cash flow. Now the tables have turned, and Dogecoin is worth money. What can Dogecoin be used for? Like other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin can act as a way to transfer money between people, either as a payment for goods or services, or simply to send cash. Users can also make transactions semi-anonymously, even if a record is available publicly on the blockchain. And they can do it without going through a traditional intermediary such as a bank. Dogecoin operates on a decentralized network of computers that uses a distributed ledger called a blockchain. Think of a blockchain like a long-running receipt of the transactions in the currency. The computer network verifies transactions and ensures the integrity of the data, and then records that data nearly indelibly on the blockchain. Where do Dogecoins come from? Like other cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin is mined by the decentralized network of computers that runs the currency. The networked computers perform complex mathematical calculations that effectively unlock coins or fractions of coins as a reward for processing transactions. As of February 2022, about 132.7 billion Dogecoin were in existence, though new coins are created literally every minute. And unlike Bitcoin, which has a hard cap on its total issuance, Dogecoin has no cap on the number of coins that can be mined. Literally, an unlimited number of coins can be created. However, annual issuance of new coins is limited to 5 billion, and that issuance can proceed indefinitely. The pros of investing in Dogecoin. 1. A growing community of holders. One of the major advantages of Dogecoin is that it has a growing community of holders and supporters. Cuban and Mark once stated that its growing community of users makes it a suitable medium for exchange. One of the primary reasons for its rising community support is that its investors use it as an absolute value. These investors are also very active on social media platforms and share memes based on the crypto as a part of its promotion. 2. Decentralized exchange compatibility. Doge can be transacted and traded on decentralized exchanges. Especially, the REN project has enabled it to work on the Ethereum blockchain platform and also access the decentralized finance network. This indicates that Doge is compatible with the emerging decentralized finance movement within the crypto market. 3. Easy transaction. Dogecoin shares several similarities with BTC, which means it provides certain benefits that are similar to Bitcoin. The crypto's coding is also quite similar to Bitcoin, which makes it secure and easier to transact. Also, there are no mining limits to Dogecoin. This provides the investors with the unlimited opportunity to trade Dogecoin, be it a short-term or long-term investment. 4. Doge listing in the stock exchange. Since its inception, some of the best stock and crypto exchange platforms have listed Dogecoin, including eToro, which is one of the biggest multinational crypto brokerages. Its listing in eToro has substantially increased the client's demands to trade Dogecoin. The platform has also attributed to more traffic from clients who want to trade Doge. 5. Dogecoin's unique market positioning. Doge's inflationary status, its unique mining feature, and ties to Litecoin are considered unique by several investors. But because it was an early crypto entrant, Dogecoin's mining model is based on the proof of work, which means complex computational problems must be solved to validate transactions across the blockchain. The cons of investing in Dogecoin. 1. Possesses no supply capitalization. The lack of a supply cap is one of the biggest disadvantages of Dogecoin. It is because cryptocurrencies with no supply cap are unidle assets to hedge against inflation. Furthermore, Doge infinite mining will eventually require more expansive blockchain mining activities. And since it uses the proof-of-work mechanism, it will further expand its pool of miners and the number of computers to support the ever-growing increase in transactions. 2. Its fun nature might contradict real innovation. Doge was initially developed to poke jokes at existing coins like Bitcoin and Litecoin. This nature obstructs Doge from integrations and adoption as a digital asset. 3. Poor technical support. Dogecoin has relatively poor technical support despite its growing community of users and supporters. Doge development team is not as big as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. Also, there have been no technological updates and changes from Doge since 2015. It is also important to highlight the fact that it does not offer any unique selling proposition in terms of technology. 4. Association with pump and dump schemes. Pump and dump schemes have been in existence for a long time. Though it is prohibited on regulated crypto exchanges, it still has its influence on certain cryptos. Pumping is where a group of people purchase a large number of coins, which increases the price of the asset substantially. Once the coin reaches a higher value than what they were bought for, they release the assets to other buyers and take back a huge return. This manipulation is quite common with Doge. 5. It is not the best transactional currency. Unlike other currencies such as Tronic and Ether, which functions as a transactional currency, Dogecoin can only be used as a digital currency. Cryptos like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash, and Bitcoin Cash have more transactional significance in the market than Doge. Doge introduced crypto millionaires and billionaires to the future of technology that they did not know would exist. But despite its achievements, investors should always test the waters before trading on currencies like Dogecoin. Should you invest in Dogecoin? In 2021, an army of social media-fueled Robinhood investors took down Melvin Capital during the GameStop short squeeze, and decentralized cryptocurrencies have caused panic within central banks across the world. It appears that power is leaking from the top, draining down the ladder through fiber optic cables and Wi-Fi routers. If you're a Zoomer or a millennial with a Robinhood account, odds are you already own a chunk of Doge larger than any financial advisor on the face of the earth would recommend, and you've also probably already made a higher yield on it than those advisors will make in the next decade on their stock portfolios. Give yourself a pat on the back, you've earned it. An investment in Dogecoin is not about making money, although it may happen accidentally, it's about being a part of something bigger. The retail investor is no longer an individual. They're a team, and Doge is their mascot. At $0.01 or $1. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.